In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix item opens on a single click in Windows 10. Ideally, to open items, you're supposed to double click. However, if you are experiencing a challenge like mine here, if I just click on any item with a single click, it goes ahead and opens it. Even a browser with a single click, it is opened. Then you can fix this and revert to opening items with double click. To do this, just go ahead and click on Start menu here. And then go ahead and search for File Options. And you should see these File Explorer options here. Just go ahead and click on it. From here, go ahead and click on General and look for Click Items as follows. Currently, it is set to single click to open an item or point to select. That's why your items are opened with a single click. To revert to double click, go ahead and choose the last option, which is double click to open an item. Into brackets, single click to select. So if you choose this, now go ahead and click on apply and then OK to apply. Now, if I go ahead and try to open any item, for instance, this folder, by just clicking once on it, it will not open. However, if I go ahead and click twice, then it will open. The same will apply to other features such as these browsers. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.